This is Megan from Social Tech Pop here with Ben Reed, the founder of Foodie Registry. Can you tell me about Foodie Registry and how you thought of the idea?
Yeah, Foodie Registry is a wedding registry for restaurant gift certificates. So works just like a traditional wedding registry from Macy's or Target, but instead of towels and toasters, we let wedding couples register for restaurant gift certificates, or as we like to say, date nights. And the idea came from my wife and I's own wedding. We got married 3 years ago, and like a lot of couples, didn't need housewares quite as much. We lived together for a little bit, so we just didn't register. And eventually we started getting pressured by the family that we need to register for something. My mom started pressuring us, and my wife came up with the idea of registering for restaurants because it's what we love to do, but we didn't need more junk around our house, you know? And so we did it ourselves, and it was a hit, and eventually a business was born.
Sounds good. And do you limit what restaurants you have? I mean, how many participating restaurants do you have with the registry?
So we got about 150 restaurants in 4 major U.S. cities right now. We do limit it in the sense that we need to be partnered with the restaurant to feature them. That helps us keep it free always for our registrants and for our gift purchasers, no extra fees, because we partner directly with the restaurants to do so. In Chicago, we have about 75 restaurants on board, so most people don't have a problem finding restaurants we want, even if we don't have every last restaurant that they'd like right now. We're still expanding as well.
And since your launch, about how many people have used the registry?
We've had quite a lot of people using the registry, I'll say that, and I will say people have registered for hundreds of thousands of dollars of gift certificates, is what I would say.
Do you see this becoming a popular trend with weddings today?
It absolutely is. The alternative registry segment is the fastest growing segment of the registry business, and registry business is big. It's a $19 billion market. That's the amount given in wedding gifts every year. $12 billion goes to wedding registries, and if you look at how much of that's traditional registries versus alternative registries, alternatives are by far the fastest growing segment.
Good. And what's your goal for the future?
Our goal is to expand to more cities, keep growing the cities that we're in, but certainly expand to more cities and become a nationwide service.
Sounds good. Well, good luck with your business. Thank you so much.